How to delete all calling history in Google Meet. You're going to have to first open up your Google Meet application to delete your history. Once you land on the app, you just need to make sure that you're logged into your account. So if I tap on the top right corner, here, as you can see, I'm logged in with my Google account. Now, to access your history, you first need to head over to Settings by tapping on the hamburger menu that you see right besides the Search Contact option. Then click on Settings. And now here you'll find the history option. Head over there. And as you can see, you already have this option that says delete all history. So what happens is it will permanently delete your history of calls and history of people you've contacted using Google Meet from all of your devices. Now, if you're sure, just click on delete and then you should be good to go. And it's as easy as that. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.